So hey guys, in this video we'll just know how to download the Blackbox extension in VS Code, which is helpful to find out solutions to any queries or code we have in VS Code itself. Right, we'll go to the extensions menu and download the Blackbox extension. This Blackbox AI extension, which has 414k downloads. You can just install that from there. Okay, to use this extension you need to follow certain steps to find solution to any query. You have to start the question or the query you have with 2 backslashes and end it with a question mark every time you need in the editor itself. They have even provided the demo in the extensions menu how to use it. If you press the B option over there, you can get the black box menu on your left. So now I am searching for how to print a pyramid star pattern using for loop and end it with a question mark. Look, the black box has started searching for the solution and it will prompt you the solution. You can just click on tab to make this code run, or control backslash to make this code run or execute it, and you can just run the code. See, also every time you run you need to just check for if there are any errors